Hey guys, welcome to the lab. So today I'm gonna do a little bit of a throwback. I got my cookbook open and now I'm gonna go ahead and do an old recipe. It's called cherry soda. Now normally I have the resin already prepped and pumped, but a little on short notice today, so you get to see a little bit extra stuff. This resin's a little hard to move when it's cold. If you're wondering what I'm doing with my hands, I'm keeping track of my pumps, because it's a 2-to-1 ratio, so it does actually matter. Now you want to mix it nice, easy, scrape the sides, bottoms. Fold it like a pancake batter. That's from what I was told on my research. I don't know how true that is, but I guess we'll find out. Now I'm going to be doing two things. I'm going to be doing what they call cherry and chocolate. Alright. Now while we're mixing, this is always my favorite part, watching the colors change. Alright. So now I want to wake my cookbook back up. Now that is almost done. I just have to add just a touch more red. It didn't come as red as I thought I would, so I came out with some scarlet. I'm just gonna sprinkle in there real nice and easy. All nice and mixed in there. I gave it that nice red tint. There, now it's starting to look like cherry soda. Now that's all mixed in there. I'm going to go ahead and get rid of those stubborn bubbles. Do it in a nice sweeping motion. There we go. There is cherry soda. Thanks for watching and come back next time.